In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync audio in DaVinci Resolve 20 quickly and accurately using the built-in auto-align clips feature. This is a super useful workflow if you've recorded separate audio and video and you want to line everything up without doing it manually frame by frame. Whether you're working on interviews, talking head videos, podcasts, or any project with external audio, this method can save you a lot of time and frustration. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tips and editing guides. Let's jump in. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve 20 and go to the edit page. Make sure the video clips and the audio clips you want to sync are already in the timeline. Now select all of the video and audio clips that need to be aligned. You can click and drag to highlight them or use multi-select if your timeline is more spread out. Once everything is selected, right-click on the selection to open the context menu. From there, look for Auto Align Clips and click it. This is the tool that tells DaVinci Resolve to automatically match your clips based on the audio waveforms. In the pop-up window, choose Based on Waveform. This option is ideal when your camera audio and external microphone audio contain the same sound because Resolve can compare the waveforms and find the matching points. Next, set the track option to automatic. Leaving it on automatic allows the software to detect the best matching audio signatures without you having to manually specify every track. This is what makes the process so fast and beginner-friendly. After that, click Sync. DaVinci Resolve will now analyze the selected clips and shift the audio horizontally in the timeline until everything lines up properly with the video. You may notice the clips move slightly as the software adjusts them into place. Once the sync is complete, take a moment to verify everything by playing back the footage. Listen carefully to make sure the dialogue, hand movements, and visual cues all match the audio naturally. If something still feels off, you can always undo and try again with a different selection, but in most cases, the waveform method works very well. After you confirm that everything is synced correctly, it's a good idea to lock the clips together so they stay aligned while you keep editing. To do that, select the synced clips, right-click again, and choose Link Clips, or simply use Ctrl+L on Windows. Linking the clips keeps the video and audio connected, so if you move one part later, the rest stays in sync with it. And that's it. You've successfully synced audio in DaVinci Resolve 20 using auto-align clips and linked the clips together for safer editing. This is one of those small editing skills that can make your workflow much smoother and much faster. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.